Hello and welcome kids once again to your science classes of grade 5th. Kids, in this session of the video, I am going to tell you what diagram work you have to do in your topic 1, that is about growing plants. Two chapters are coming in your UT1. That will be coming questions, diagrams, whatever the things, they will be coming from two topics. The first topic is of growing plants, okay? That is in unit 1, our needs, and the second topic is about food and health. So it has come to my knowledge that some of the page numbers or the topics is not in the way, or it is not matching with the page number which is the science book is with me. So some of the students page numbers are not matching with the page numbers of my science book, my teacher manual. So no need to worry. You can check out the topics, and as per the topics you can complete your things, because I know the content, the chapters, the book exercises, keywords, diagrams, rest of the things will be similar in your book also as it is given in my book. So that for that thing I am making this video. So please go through this video completely and follow it, and listen to the things properly and completely up to the end of the video. So here I am with the topic 1, that is about growing plants, and this is the first page of the book, in which there is one pictorial activity, and this you have to complete. There is jumbled letters given with which you have to fill the words, okay, as per the numbers. Suppose it is 3, so in third you will write cloth, in fourth you will write flowers, in second you will write fruits, in sixth you will write food, in first you will write paper as it is already done, and in fifth you will write wood. Okay, so I hope all of you must have completed this book exercise of the topic 1, that is growing plants. Now coming to the next page, in which you can see the two pictures, two diagrams, and these two diagrams are very important. First is the structure of a kidney bean seed. So both these structure, this is the external structure of the kidney bean seed, and this is the internal structure of this kidney bean seed. That जब हम इस seed को खोलेंगे, when we will open this seed, then internally this kind of structure we can get inside the seed. So this is called the seed coat, that is the outer covering protects the baby plant inside. This is the outer dark brown or black covering which is present on the seeds, and this covering only protects this baby plant inside the seed. And this is the seed hole which allows the water to enter the seed. Through this seed hole only, when the seed is sown in the soil, the water and nutrients and minerals get inside the seed for the germination of the seed into a baby plant. So this was the external structure. So this structure is to be drawn by each and every one of you. Okay, structure of a kidney bean seed, both these structures, this external structure and this internal structure, you will draw in your science fair notebook in the white pages, and you will draw the diagrams where you have completed science chapter 1 topic 1 question answers. Okay, in those white pages only you will draw this diagram from page number 8 or from your science book. Anywhere this diagram is given in the topic as per the page number of your science book of the topic growing plants. Okay, the next diagram is the second B, internal diagram of this kidney bean seed. This is green part is called cotyledons, which store food for the baby plant. This is the baby plant which is present inside the seed, and it gets its food from this two cotyledons. Okay, and this baby plant is also known as embryo. It grows into a baby plant. Then slowly, when we sow the seeds inside the soil, after few days, 10 days, 15 days, on getting the suitable conditions, suitable environment, proper warmth, nutrients from the soil, water from the soil and air, this seed, this baby plant starts growing into a sapling, into a tiny small plant. Okay, so one structure, this you have to draw. I think now it is clear to you. Second structure is the germination of seed, and this diagram you are going to make with your question answer number 1. Your first question is what is germination? Okay, in your science topic growing plants question answer, the first question is what is germination? So the answer is the process by which a seed grows into a new plant. It is called germination. Along with this answer, In the white page you are going to draw this complete diagram in which you can see the stages of germination. First the seed is sown in the soil, then it slowly develops into a seedling. As we can see, the roots are coming out, and we have to water the seed also. The nutrients and minerals it get from the soil, this brown soil, but it needs water also, it needs warmth also from the sunlight. So on getting all these suitable conditions, this particular seed start germinating into a seedling. Then next, in the next stage, now the shoot of the seed, this first stem which comes out of the soil, that is called the shoot. Okay, so this shoot also start growing. Earlier the root was growing, now the shoot, the stem is also coming out of the soil. Then in the next stage we can see down, now the cotyledons has reduced. At this stage the baby plant, this baby plant, it is getting food from this cotyledon. This seed is there, so this cotyledon is providing food for the growth of the baby plant, because still the leaves are not come out. When the leaves will come out, then they will start doing photosynthesis, start preparing their food, and then the seed's food requirement, the plant food requirement will be fulfilled. Okay, now in the next stage we can see the cotyledon, now it has reduced in size, and after this stage this cotyledon will be discarded by the plants, because now the plant did not need this cotyledon, because the leaves are there, they can do photosynthesis, they can prepare their food for the plant itself. Okay, so here it is the stem, cotyledon, leaves, and in this stage we can see a complete plant has grown. Okay, now slowly and gradually it will develop into a big plant, a big tree. Okay, so this is the complete stages of germination, or you can also write germination of a seed, and you have to complete this diagram along with this question answer number 1. So right now I have 3 diagrams I have explained you in our topic 1, in our chapter 1, that is about growing plants. Okay, one diagram is the structure of a kidney bean seed. Both the structures are important, external as well as internal, along with the labelings. These are called labelings of the diagram. This cotyledons, this embryo, this seed coat, this seed hole, along with this writing also. So you have to draw it completely in your science fair notebook, white pages, where you have completed science question answers. And now with answer number 1, you have to draw this diagram, germination of seed. After writing the answer on the rule page, in the rule page you will draw this diagram in that white page. Okay, and after this diagram, in any of the white pages with answer 2 or with the keywords white pages, you can complete this diagram, structure of a kidney bean seed. So these 3 diagrams, I hope now it is clear to your mind. So wherever these diagrams are present in your science book with the topic growing plants, from there you can sort it out, you can draw. Now coming back to now these are the book exercises. This is the next page of your science book. Okay, after that, this is the page, dispersal by explosion. Let's recall, there is a true false, like this you have to solve, and then there are different types of examples are given: growing plants from stems, growing plants from roots, so growing plants from leaves, growing plants from spores. Okay, now the last topic is of agriculture. Now there was some doubt about the agriculture question also. I am going to deal with that now. Kids, here it is written, each stage is to be explained also by students. This statement you don't have to write. Meaning of this statement is, the stages I have written, that is the plowing, manuring, third is the sowing of seeds, fourth is the irrigation, fifth is the spraying of pesticides, sixth is the harvesting of crops. But these stages are explained here in this section of your book along with this diagram. I have written the names of the stages. Stage 1 is of plowing. So this is the explanation of plowing. Plowing means to dig and turn over a field with the help of a plow so that the soil becomes loose. This is the plow machine. With the help of this plow machine, the complete soil, the complete agricultural land, it is dug. मिट्टी को लूज किया जाता है ताकि उसके अंदर हवा इनकॉर्पोरेट हो सके और प्लांट्स के सीड्स के ग्रोथ में हेल्प कर सके. So this is the first stage, this explanation, this explanatory part which is present in your book. in chapter 1 growing plants, you have to write this thing also along with this answer. You have to write, you have to explain the stages also. Now the second stage is of manuring. Okay, it is written manuring, but you have to explain it from here. Manures and chemical fertilizers, they are added to the soil. They enrich the soil with nutrients. Yes, that is the function of manures and chemical fertilizers. Okay, when they are added to the agricultural land after plowing of the soil, they enrich the soil with nutrients. Soil is already, nutrients are present, but for extra nutrients, so that a healthy and great crop should grow. For that, these manures and chemical fertilizers, they are added to the soil. In the second stage, that is called, the stage name is manuring. So along with this writing manuring, you have to write this explanation also. Okay. Now the third stage is of sowing of seeds. Now what is done in the, simply the seeds are sown. This farmer, it is spraying the seeds in his agricultural field. After these two stages, the third stage, the name of this stage is sowing of seeds. So with that, you have to only write seeds are sown. Okay. Next, the fourth stage is of irrigation. Okay, so after writing the stage name irrigation, you have to write this explanation that the crop is irrigated. Irrigation means to supply water to an area of land through pipes or channels so that the crop will grow. Crop will grow. As you can see, there is the proper supply of water through this pipe, through these channels. Channels are the passage, the way through which the water is being supplied to the agricultural land, because we very well know plants also need water for their growth to complete the photosynthesis process. Okay, so this is the fourth stage of irrigation. So this explanation you have to write in your fair notebook with the fourth stage. Now coming on to the fifth stage, that is spraying of pesticides. So spraying of pesticides, after writing spraying of pesticides, you have to write this explanation. The crop is sprayed with chemicals to protect it from pests. Such chemicals are called pesticides. So in this stage, what is to be done? Now the crops have grown and we have to protect that crop from the infection, from the attack of pests, from the attack of insects. So for that, some chemical fertilizers, they are sprayed in the agricultural land. And I can also tell you the name of some common pesticides which are used, that is acephate, phorate, carbofuran, etc. So these are some of the name of the pesticides which are used in the agricultural land. You can also mention these names from here. Okay. So with the fifth stage, you have to write this explanation part in your fair notebook. And last is the sixth stage, that is harvesting of crops. So simply in this stage, the crop is harvested. Harvest means to cut and gather a crop. Gather means इकट्ठा करना. फसलों की कटाई हो जाती है और उनको gather कर लिया जाता है, collect कर लिया जाता है. That is only done in the sixth stage. Okay, so that was the sixth stage. So kids, all the 6 stages I have explained in my previous videos also, in the revision videos also, and once again I have explained to you that how and in which fashion, which manner you have to explain all these 6 stages. Okay, so after writing the definition of agriculture in answer number 8, you will write different stages along with their explanation from either from the book, this page number 12, or wherever this portion is given in your book. From that content, you will explain all these stages. Okay, you have to write the explanation part along with the name of the stages. You have to write this explanation part. Or one more explanation part I have shown you in my notebook. These explanation parts are also similar to that. You can note down this also. Plowing the field means to loosen the soil, done by digging and turn over the field. Then next is the manuring, to add manures and chemical fertilizers to enrich the soil with nutrients. Then sowing the seeds. Seeds are sown in the field now. Then irrigation, it means to supply water to the field through pipes or channels for growth of crops. Then fifth is spraying of pesticides. The crop is sprayed with chemicals to protect it from pests, insects like rats, beetles, etc. An example of the pesticides, acephate, phorate, carbofuran, etc. And sixth is harvesting. It means to cut and gather a crop. So kids, now I hope your doubts are clear. Okay, how you have to explain the stages of agriculture, how you have to write this answer. Now I think the concept must be clear in your mind. And no need to panic, those whose chapters or book page numbers are not matching with my book page numbers. You have to focus and concentrate on the topic, that which topics we have done. Okay, so this was the next page number. Okay, and now this is the next page, in which protecting the crops and the keywords. Now this is the keyword section of your topic 1, chapter 1, that is growing plants. And all these keywords means not only this words, this explanation part is also to be written and to be learnt by you people. Okay, so this is the keywords. This was the previous page, so look at it properly. Okay, then there is let's revise section. Then kids, there is let's answer, tick the correct answer. These are the book exercises as per my book. Okay, and I hope the same thing will be given in your book also. And these all question answers I have explained you now, especially question answer number 8, how you have to write. And this is the let's do section, okay, in my book. And then this is the next page number, last page of this topic 1, chapter 1, that is growing plants. Okay, so very soon I will be uploading one more video in which I will tell you what is our topic 2, which diagrams or which tabular work you have to complete in the topic food and health. Okay, so in this portion of the video, I hope now your diagram query and your diagram related doubts and the doubt related to answer number 8, that what to be written in the stages of agriculture, would have been solved. Okay, so please kids, now complete your written work in your science fair notebook neatly and cleanly. Okay, you know how you have to start your work. In the very beginning you have to mention date and day. Okay, then you have to draw margin line, then you have to write classwork, then you have to write chapter number. Suppose it is chapter 1, you will write chapter 1, then name of the chapter. Then if you are doing keywords, then you will write keywords and complete all the keywords. On this side of the margin line only you will do the numbering 1 2 3. Nothing will be written beyond this margin line. Okay, everything will be written up to here. So in this way you will complete your keywords. Then from the next new page, again you will mention date and date, topic name, chapter name, and give the heading question answers, and you will complete your question answers. And on the right side, on the left side, the plain page, you will complete your diagram work of this first chapter, that is growing plants. So in this pattern you have to complete your work, and side by side you have to fill the index also, along with the serial number, date, topic. If you are doing chapter 1 keywords, you will mention chapter 1 keywords. If you are doing chapter 1 question answer, you will mention chapter 1 question answers. Fine. So likewise you have to complete your science work. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for the class.